Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO Y33s, and today I will show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode. Now this process will also remove a screen lock if you have one that you, for instance, don't know. So I'll lock the device just so you can see I did go and set up a pattern right here, and I'll proceed from the lock screen as though I wouldn't know it. So number one, we'll want to hold the power key and from there select power off. Let's try it again. There we go, power off. Now once the device turns off, hold power key and volume up at the same time. So I'm gonna do that right now. Now this brings us to Fastboot mode, so from here we simply want to select recovery mode. It looks like we need to use volume keys though, so press volume down and power key. And as you can see, we're now in the recovery mode. So in here we want to select clear data by simply tapping on it, and then select clear all data. As you can see, it gives us a little pop-up right here, clear all data, only phone system data will be cleared, music, photos and other user data will not be deleted, which is not really what I want. I'm gonna quickly see if there's another way, although this is Vivo, so I don't think there might. I think this is the only way. So I'm gonna go into here, we're gonna select clear all data, okay, and if anything stays on the device once the reset has been finished, which I believe it actually shouldn't, even though it says that it does, but anyway, once you select return and go back to restart, it will continue the process in the background, and once it's finished you should then be presented with the setup screen. And like I mentioned, if some of your data stayed on the phone, you can simply go through the setup. The device will be then unlocked, so you can actually gain access to it, and if you want to remove everything you can simply perform a reset of the device if there is, like I mentioned, stuff on it, through settings, which will then most certainly remove all the data from the device. But right now I'm gonna let it finish up and be back once the setup screen is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.